Temu Pet Advent Calendar, day 1. So we got a little fun book. Make noise. Day 2, we got a little pink ring. Day 3, day 4, another fun ball. Day 5, day 6, a little brush pad. You can stick it on your hand and just brush, 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 brush. Day 7, little pull toy. Day 8, day 9. Day 10, and we have a chicken bone. A soft chicken bone. Day 11. That's gonna be annoying. Day 12. A little collar with a bow. Day 13. A little squishy duck. Oh. Day 14. Bouncy ball. Day 15. Another bouncy ball. Day 16, a cute little collar. Day 17. Oh, no. For some reason, there's nothing in day 18. Not sure what happened there. Okay, this has broken straight away. So dangerous. Day 19, another cute collar. Day 20, we have a little tie. What's happening here? 21 is empty. 22, a Christmas bandana. Day 23, I don't know what this is. Anyone has an idea, please let me know. It's like a stretchy. It's just stretchy. It's not sticky, and there's lots of it, like a roll. Yeah, have no idea. Day 24, we have a pull toy. There we go, Mars. Yes, very nice. And last but definitely not least, number 25. Mars. Yes, it's a lovely toy. Or maybe not. And there you have it.